Have you traded XAUUSD? You must have started scalping using your knowledge of the patterns in Forex candlestick charts. We are sure you can afford to pay $100 to learn an effective scalping strategy in XAUUSD. We are also sure you have lost more than $100 trying to figure out what Forex trading patterns will work. Learn the CTSS XAUUSD Minute-Scalping strategy. Know the correct gold price with the CTSS XAUUSD Minute-Scalping strategy. Know when to place your trading position. Take the lowest long/buy price. Take the highest short/sell price. Earn the maximum take profit. Learn the CTSS XAUUSD Minute-Scalping strategy. A 5-hour one-on-one Zoom training session for only $200 per person. Register now. For a training session at Calibrated Trading Strategies and Services, email calibratedtrading@gmail.com, website https://calibratedtrading.wixsite.com/tradingacademy. Video tutorial available for only $100 a copy. Or buy now. A video tutorial you can learn at your own pace and at your own time. A journey of 1,000 miles starts with the first step. Call us at +6 3929 222 2608 at Calibrated Trading Strategies and Services, email calibratedtrading@gmail.com, website https://calibratedtrading.wixsite.com/tradingacademy.